Today we have discussed about the lesson to animal world. As you know that in previous online class we have discussed about the body covering and other topics. But today we discuss about the feeding habits. But before that we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. First see the homework. As you know that in previous online class I have given homework. Read and revise the explained topics of lesson 2. I hope you have read and revised the explained topics of lesson 2, and you I request you please you learn all exercise of lesson 2 also. And I request you in comment box you have write name, class and section for your attendance. Okay. Okay, feeding habits. You know that different animals eat different kinds of food, and their body structure, especially teeth and digestive system, are modified to according to their food habits. So here we discuss about the one by one different types of food habits. Feeding habits here. First, herbivorous. Herbivorous animals. What do you mean by herbivorous animals? Animals that eat grass or plants product are called herbivorous animals. Example: cow, goat, etc. Elephant, deer, etc. And their body structure are modified to such type of feeding habits. Their incisors are broad and short, and molar and premolar are broad and they help in grinding the food. Okay, now next carnivorous. Carnivorous animals. What do you mean by carnivorous animals? Carnivorous animals eat the flesh of other animals. Eat the flesh of other animals. Example: lion, tiger, etc. And modified, their canines are pointed and sharp and pointed with the help of canine teeth. These animals tear the flesh of other animals. Now next, third number, omnivorous. Omnivorous animals. Omnivorous animals. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals and also eat the plant products. They eat both. Okay. Example: human, crow, etc. Okay, omnivorous animals, they are human, crow, etc. These both are example of omnivorous animals. They eat both flesh of other animals as well as plant products. Next, fourth number, rodents. Some animals name the fruits, seeds. Name the seeds. Example: rabbit, rat, etc. Rabbit and rat, these or gnaw the seeds of fruits, then eat. Next, insects. Insects like mosquitoes, they have long cylindrical tube. With the help of long cylindrical tube, they suck the blood of other animals. And butterfly, they have a long cylindrical tube, and this tube is called proboscis. With the help of proboscis, they suck the nectar from different flowers. Next, frog and lizard. Frog and lizard both have a sticky tongue. With the help of sticky tongue, frog and lizard catch their prey. Next, birds. Which type of feeding habits found in birds? You know that a bird have beak and claw. With the help of beak and claw, they catch their prey, and with the help of beak, they eat the food. Example: eagle. They have the curved, strong beak and pointed. With the help of sharp, pointed, curved beak, they tear the flesh of other animals. And with the help of strong claw, they catch their prey. Other example: parrot. Parrot have a curved beak. With the help of curved beak, they eat the fruits of different plants. Okay. Now next topic is movement in animals. In animals. Movement in animals. You know that animals move from one place to another place for searching food or for breeding. With the help of limbs, or crawling on the ground, or they swim in water, or they can fly in air. So here, one by one, here discuss first organs of movement. Different animals have different organs for the movement, and these organs depend on their habitat. Example: fish. Fish have fins. With the help of fins, they can swim in water and also change the direction with the help of tail fins. See here, diagram of fish. They have fins. This is a fins. Fins. This is the gills, mouth, and this is a tail fin. They move forward with the help of fins, and they change the direction with the help of tail fins. Okay. Other aquatic animals like turtle, tortoise, they have pedal-like feet. They have pedal-like feet. With the help of pedal-like feet, they swim in water. And also, when on the ground, they live on the ground. With the help of limbs, they move from one place to another place. Other are frog, and their feet are webbed feet. Webbed feet. With the help of webbed feet, they swim in water, and also when they live on land, they move from one place to another place with the help of limbs. Now next, insect. Insect have 6 legs, okay, and you can say 3 pairs and 2 pairs wing. With the help of wings, they fly in the air, and with the help of 6 legs, they crawling on the ground. They also walk on the ground, hopping at a activity, grasshopper hopping on the ground. And other are some insects, they do not have the wings. Example, lice, termites. They crawl on the ground. Lice, termites. They do not have the wings. They crawling on the ground. Now movement in bird. Movement in birds. Most of the birds have wing, fly in the air, but some birds do not have wing. Example, emu, ostrich, etc. Emu, ostrich, they do not have the wing. They can run on the ground, okay, with help of limbs. Okay, next, reptiles. Reptiles have scale. With the help of scale, they crawling on the ground. Example, snake, crocodile, lizard, chameleon, etc. Okay, in its snake, they have plates, scales. With the help of plates and scales, they move on the ground from one place to another place. Next, mammals. Mammals have 4 limbs. 4 limbs and hind limb. With the help of 4 limb and hind limb, mammals move from one place to another place, and also they can run very fast on the ground. Okay, but human move with the help of hind limbs. Means with the help of leg, and they use 4 limbs, you can say hand, as a hold a catching things. Next topic is migration. If animals move from one place to another place, but this distance between the place to another place is long distance, is called migration. Migration from one place to another place for searching food, or avoid harsh weather climatic conditions. First example of migratory bird, Arctic tern. Arctic tern is a bird. They migrate from Arctic Circle to the Antarctic Circle. Means they migrate from Arctic to Antarctic region. Arctic region to Antarctic region in every year. Okay, they cover the long distance. Now next, Siberian crane. Siberia, you know that Siberia is situated in Russia country, and every year in winter season, Siberian cranes move from Siberia to India for breeding. Next, salmon fish, locusts, monarch butterfly also migrate from one place to another place for searching food or for breeding or harsh climatic conditions. Avoid harsh climatic conditions. Now all student, you have take copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 2, class 5th, general science, date 5th August. Learn, choose the correct answer of lesson 2. Learn, choose the correct answer of lesson 2. You have learned the choose the correct answer of lesson 2 in proper way. Okay, here 7 are given. You have learned in proper way, and in comment box you have write name and class and section for your attendance. Thank you.